world, Leon here, and this is how you install Web3.Unreal. We're going to do this project from scratch. So first thing we do is launch Epic Games, then launch the Unreal game engine. We're going to give this a second, and we're going to build this project onto my desktop so you can see everything right here on the top right corner. So here's the project location to desktop. We're going to keep a really basic blueprint, and we're going to call the project My Project. All right, let's hit create. Next is to install the Web3 Unreal package. Now there are two ways of doing it. The first is through the marketplace, and the second is through the GitHub repository. So let's do the repository first, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to minimize this and install the package. First, go to the Game7 DAO GitHub. Under here, there's a repository called Web3.Unreal. Click code and download the zip. Now that it's downloaded, I can unzip it. I'm going to rename it Web3 Unreal so it's easy to understand. And to install it, just open your project, right-click, create a new folder called Plugins with a capital P, and drag in this file. Everything should be packaged nicely and it should work out of the box. Next is to restart the game. So let's close this and restart Unreal. And to do so, I'll just go to my project and double click my projects. There should be a pop-up that says, do you want to rebuild? This is rebuilding the binaries for your computer. So I'm going to click yes. And there should be a folder called binaries, which is specific for whatever operating system you have. So in this case, it's going to be the Mac. Here. We'll give this a few seconds. Unreal should launch and have all the Web3.Unreal packages ready to go. So to check if it's installed correctly, we can go to Content Drawer on the bottom left. Under Content, First Person, Blueprints, we can click on any of these just to see if it's installed or not. So I'll do First Person Shooter. And I'm going to right click. And under Search, you can either search or scroll down. You should see Web3 Unreal. So it's right here. And we have all of these different functions we can pull out of the box. So these are examples such as calling a smart contract. So you can read state. Now RPC calls, you can see the current block number, for example, sending a contract, so to update state of a smart contract. We also have helpers, ways to hash, ways to sign, and different functions. So in the next video, we're going to go through some of these functions. All right, thanks.